When a catastrophic ransomware attack hits a multi-billion-dollar enterprise, only one line of defense stands between operational survival and complete digital extinction: the next-generation firewall. In the elite tier of cybersecurity, two titans control the battlefield. On one side, Fortinet, the undisputed king of pure performance and cost-to-value efficiency. On the other, Palo Alto Networks, the premium golden standard of threat prevention and zero-trust architecture. But which one actually protects your network better when real chaos strikes? Let's strip away the corporate marketing and look directly at the engineering facts. To understand their power, we have to look under the hood. Fortinet takes a hardware-accelerated approach. By engineering proprietary ASIC chips, or security processing units, Fortinet hardware unloads the heavy lifting of firewall traffic and SSL inspection from the main CPU. The result? Unrivaled throughput speeds and incredibly low latency at a fraction of the cost. Palo Alto, conversely, wins through software genius. Their single-pass architecture processes threat prevention, user identification, and content filtering all in a single software pass, ensuring that performance doesn't degrade even when every single security feature is turned on. Fortinet brute forces with custom silicon, Palo Alto outsmarts with architectural design. But a firewall is only as smart as its threat intelligence. Palo Alto is globally renowned for its wildfire sandboxing and Unit 42 research team, consistently catching highly sophisticated, zero-day polymorphic threats before they spread into the local network. Their management console, PAN-OS, offers unparalleled granularity, giving engineers absolute control over individual user behaviors and micro-applications. Fortinet counter-attacks with FortiGuard Labs. Processing billions of daily threat queries worldwide, Fortinet offers lightning-fast automated patch deployments and threat definitions across their entire Fabric ecosystem. If you want absolute precision control, you choose Palo Alto. If you want massive scale intelligence, you choose Fortinet. Where Fortinet absolutely dominates the competition is ecosystem synergy through the Fortinet Security Fabric. If you use FortiGates, integrating Forti switches, Forti APs, and FortiClient endpoints is completely native, allowing a single engineer to manage an entire worldwide network from a single pane of glass. Palo Alto, on the other hand, focuses on being the best-of-breed security solution, scaling incredibly well into complex cloud environments via Prisma SASE and Cortex XDR. It's a choice between a unified, deeply integrated hardware fabric, or a premium, cloud-first zero-trust platform. So, which one should you deploy? The answer comes down to your budget and engineering scale. If you are a mid-market enterprise, an educational institution, or a distributed business looking for the absolute best price-to-performance ratio and hardware value, Fortinet FortiGate is your winner. But if you are a critical infrastructure company, a massive financial institution, or an enterprise where configuration errors mean millions lost, Palo Alto's bulletproof security and granular visibility justify its premium licensing costs. Which titan protects your infrastructure? Drop your choice in the comments below, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more unfiltered engineering breakdowns.